Imagine mixing the greatest mix you've ever mixed in all your days of mixing. Now picture that you may never see those settings again.
What did you say?
If only there were a way to save these settings so that you can pull them back up at a later date. Well, wish granted.
Yes! That's awesome!
In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do this. Welcome to Audio Nerd. Saving and loading scenes will make your life a whole lot easier. A scene is simply a snapshot of your mix that you can save and recall for a later date. This saves all your settings, where your faders are located, your EQs for each channel, compressor, gates, all that. This is great if you have multiple groups using the mixer, or if you have multiple people using the mixer, they could create their own mix, or you could create different mixes for separate songs. Let's go ahead and jump into the scene menu and see exactly what you'll see when you press the view button. Starting on the left, you'll have the Go knob. This will allow you to select the scenes that you have saved or let you choose where you want to save a scene to. Alternatively, you could press the next or previous button on the scene section of your board and switch through the scenes as well. Next, you have the Save knob. All you have to do is press in this knob to select where you would like to save this scene to. Next is the Edit knob. Pressing in this knob allows you to edit the name of the scene that you have currently selected. Next is the Load Settings knob. If you have any scenes saved to a USB, you can press in this knob and load those scenes. Next, you have the Save Current. This will allow you to save the scene that you have selected to your USB device if you have it plugged in. On the end here, you have the Set knob. This allows you to scroll through these settings and pick what you would like to save to that scene. Simply rotate the knob to choose and then press it in to actually select what you want to save. Now that we know what we're looking at here in the scene menu, let's go ahead and learn how to actually save a scene to the mixer. So to get to the scene menu, we're going to go ahead and press the view button here in the scene section of your mixer. Next, we're going to scroll to an empty slot here on the mixer, or if you feel comfortable, you can overwrite an existing scene as well. Alternatively, you could also press the next or previous button in the scene section of the mixer as well. Next, simply press the Save button. This will bring up a keyboard and you can use that to name the scene that you want to save. Once you got everything named, go ahead and press the Save button. Then go ahead and press the Go button to confirm that you would like to save this scene. To load a scene, we will need to go ahead and go back into the scene menu. So press the View button in your scene section of your mixer. Then we will want to scroll to the scene that you would like to load into the mixer. Alternatively, you could press the previous or next button as well. Then simply press the Go button. This will pop up a confirmation window and you'll just hit that to load that scene. If you do choose the wrong scene, to go back quickly, just go ahead and hit the Undo button in your scene section. That will pop up a confirmation window as well. And you can go ahead and just press Go and that will take you back to the previous scene that you were on. Make sure that you keep your hands and other objects away from the faders when you are loading a scene, because if there is something in the way, it could cause damage to the board when the mixers try to go back to their original position. Saving scenes will make your life 100 times better. Well, okay, maybe 10 times better. And also only in terms of mixing. But hey, that's still something, isn't it? If you ever lost a great mix because you didn't save a scene or you didn't have this feature on your mixer, let me know in the comments below. And that is it for this video. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons if this brought any value to you. That's it. Thanks again for watching. Have yourself a great day.